Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today we are talking about a world's first. Yes, another one for our team. The Ford Mustang. What an incredible vehicle. This vehicle is currently spec'd with the Recaro seats. However, as you guys know, if you own one of these vehicles or maybe you're interested in having this done and you're watching today's video, the Recaros don't come with heated and cooled seats. That is all changed. We have added a heated and cooled system into the factory Recaro Ford Mustang seats. Yes, you heard me correctly. It has been completed. Honestly, an absolute challenge and a half. But challenge was given and accepted and delivered. What we've done is added in the heated and cool elements into the factory seat. On this particular one, we've actually had to have a separate switch panel, which is mounted really nicely on the side of the seat with a low setting, a high setting, and you've got different settings available, but on heated and cooled, okay? We can do this on quite a few seats now. So we've looked at how the engineering works. This is the first time we've ever actually used this particular kit. It comes very, very well recommended, and also it is really, really important about how the install gets taken place for it to not only work effectively, but also continue full operation of the factory seat. So no loss of basically anything in terms of functionality, full movement, full everything of that seat is now in place, which is absolutely fantastic. In terms of the work that Carl's done on this car is absolutely exceptional. It has taken a lot longer. We were also researching, we were spending time looking into different ways of being able to do this, but we have achieved what others have not been able to do. So heated and cool seats have now been added into this Ford Mustang. So if you're interested in either adding heated or cooled elements into your factory Recaro seats on your Ford Mustang or another vehicle for that matter, so feel free to send over all your details. We'll then go through and spec that all with you and price it all up for you for your particular vehicle. But this is a really, really cool upgrade. For people that want that heated and cooled option rather than just heated seats, feel free to reach out and we're sure we can find a solution for you. But this was a real challenge because this was on the Recaro seats. And for those of you who know the Recaro seats, they are a very, very sporty design. And that is why from manufacturer, they didn't offer the heated and cooled elements into the seat, but that is all now changed and this car is now ready to hit the road. So if you're interested in having this solution added, another world first from our team. So congratulations once again to our team for carrying out the work. Carl has done an absolutely incredible job on this one, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. See you later.